anybody else when you have a power drill? Does anybody else like to put their finger on the spinny bit and like pretend they're like filing their nails and stuff? Wait. Okay, sorry. Did anybody else play with the power drill a lot as a kid whenever their papakin left theirs out? I remember taking my dad's power... I don't, just pause it. I remember taking my dad's power drill and I'd run off with it and I'd start like drilling holes in the dirt. How are you alive? I don't know.